Now I'm going to show you how to make your timeline, an interactive timeline on Google Slides. So what I've done is I've clicked into Google Slides from my home screen. I'm going to click on this plus sign and then click New Presentation. And then I'm going to title it. I'm titling mine D-Day Timeline because that's what I've done my research over. So I'm going to title it that. Click Create. It's going to bring you to a new blank presentation. Where it says double tap to add title, I'm going to click on that once and this black bar comes up and I'm just going to delete this, and I'm going to do the same thing here and I'm going to delete that. So I have a blank space. The next thing I'm going to do is pull in that image that we saved off of Mac and Via by pressing the plus button and then going to Image and then Photos. And there it is. So I'm going to add this in, and then I'm just going to tap and hold the picture and move it to where I get it centered. And now I'm done with that part. The next thing you're going to do is find whatever you want to add to it. So for this, I want to add an article that I've already looked up. Most of the time teachers tell you to look up things in Chrome. For this though, I'm going to show you using Safari, and I'll show you why. So here is a article that I found, and I Googled it. I found this one. I like it. It's got information, but it's kind of distracting with our rest in peace information up here and then all of the paid content down on the side. So what you can do is click on the bars, on the address bar where there's the little lines. If you click on that, it actually will turn this into a PDF and give you only the news article. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to save this PDF so that you can add it to your interactive timeline. You're going to press the plus button. Sorry about that. That's not what it was supposed to do. Sorry. You press the little square with the triangle. And then you scroll over to create PDF. And it will create this PDF. Then you click that square with the triangle again. And add it to your drive. You're going to add it under there. Under where it says My Drive. You can add it to wherever. I have a folder already going for Miss Fisher. So I'm just going to add it to Miss Fisher's folder and click Save Here, and then click Upload. So it's going to upload there. The next thing I want to do is to go into my Google Drive and into Miss Fisher's part, and I want to make sure that I click over here on the far, this one right here that says Safari February 12th, 2018 at 12:56 p.m. This is the one that I just made, and so I'm going to click on the three dots over on the far right hand side, and I'm going to click on turn on link sharing. And then the next thing I want to do is click it again and click copy link. Then I want to go back to my slide, and I want to click the plus sign, and I want to click a shape, and I'm just going to add this square, and I'll move the square to wherever I want. And then I'm going to take the fill out of it, and I can even make it smaller if I want. And then I'm just going to click it one time. The black bar will come up and it says insert link. And we just copied that link, so I'm just going to double tap on it, click paste, and then click the check mark up at the top, and now my link is on there. So if I were to click right there, I can open that link. You see cut, copy, paste, delete, send to back, open link. I could click open link, and it will take me to that PDF that I saved. Okay, so another thing that we might want to consider doing is looking up maybe a YouTube video and putting that in. So I've opened up YouTube. I'm going to click on the little magnifying glass, and I'm going to search D-Day Facts. And I've already pre-screened a video, and I want to use this one right here from the History Channel because we know that it's going to be reliable. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm just going to pause it so we don't have to listen to it. But right down here where it says thumbs up, thumbs down, share, I'm going to click share. I'm going to click copy link. And then I'm going to go back to the home screen, click back on my Google Slides, do the same thing that we did earlier. So I'm going to press the plus button. I'm going to insert a shape. I'm going to insert this again, and maybe I'll come over here and put it over here. Again, we're going to click the bucket, no color. Maybe make it a little bit smaller by dragging it. And then one tap, we're going to insert the link. Click here, double tap it, click paste, click the check mark, and now you have yet another link. So I don't know how many you'll need. You'll need to ask your teacher, but this is one way to create an interactive timeline. And then when it's time for you to show or let somebody else see, it's much easier to do this by pressing the play button, present on this device. Then you have this here. This is what it's going to look like. And if I click, it'll take me straight to that PDF that I made. When I'm done, I can click done. It will bring me back, and then I can click the next box, and it will take me to my YouTube video so that I can see my YouTube video as well. You can add any number of things. You can also add a picture.